Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Lisa and Rosalia here with a song called New Woman, alright? So Lisa, I believe, first time. Rosalia been in before, pretty sure about that. This is a very straightforward song, not your typical guitar song, but hey, everything is done on a guitar, isn't it? So we're gonna take a look at this song, and we have pretty much one pattern that goes through entire song. So this will be a quick one. Let's go over the chords, and we don't need any capo for matching up with the sound. So we're gonna start right away with the F, okay? That's a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret and you bar all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Next chord is G. Alright, so we have third on E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. The third chord is A minor, and it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E, and the final chord will be C. Alright, so it goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so we have the chord progression F, G, A minor, and C from the beginning till the very end, almost. I will come to that almost soon. But first, let's go into the strumming. And we have a strumming now that needs to be divided into two different parts. So, if you grab the first chord, F, one full string round will be like this. So the first part will be down, down, clap. Okay, so down, down, clap. And then second part will be up, up. So if you connect these two parts, it will be down, down, clap, up, up. And if you combine it for a couple of rounds, this strumming, you will get the feeling for it, and it goes like this. Yeah, so we're ready for the song, and the reason for having the strumming split into two different parts is because of the first two chords there. So you're gonna play F 3 full rounds, then plus part 1. So down, down, clap, up, up for 3 rounds, and then down, down, clap on the F. Then you switch quickly to G and play just part 2 there. So just a quick step on G, and that's it for G. So up, up on the G part. Then you go to A minor and play 3 full rounds, down, down, clap, up, up times 3. And then you go to the final chord C and play 1 full round, and that ends the chord progression. So F, 3 full rounds plus part 1, G, part 2, A minor, 3 rounds, and C, 1 round. I'm gonna take down the tempo a little bit to understand how it goes, and it's important with this F to G to have the right timing there. So it goes like this. One more round. All right. And just to have time to switch between F to G here, I use the clap part to do the switch. So as soon as I played 3 full rounds on the F and play the first 2 downs on part 1, then I don't wait with my switch there and do the clap on F. I actually do the clap while I'm switching the chord, and then I'm ready for the up, up on G. So slowly it goes like this. All right, and then I go on further to A minor and C. So that's just to explain how you use these chord switches with effectively and yeah, you go into the right timing with the strumming. So a couple rounds, standard tempo, goes like this. And that's it, guys. I just want to mention a bridge part that happens about 1 minute and 30 seconds into the song. And this part is really not covered. It's very irregular when it comes to the strumming. And it's not really fun to play either. But I can just mention the chords. The chord, it's only one chord used there, and that's the D minor. It goes like this. And it goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. When it comes to playing there, yeah, it's very strange, and it's, like I said, not covered in this tutorial, but you can just go with straight downs. That's what I would do if I just would play something there, the D minor, but the main part, F, G, A minor, and C, and you're set for the song. Good luck here, new woman, and if you liked this tutorial, if it was helpful, please show me that. Thumb up, perhaps a comment, and yeah, thank you so much. And play tuned.